question. Alex? Alex says use the addition or subtraction method to solve this system. What do you want to do? Well, wait. Let me read them first.
Okay.
So 3t minus 8z equals 34. And 7t plus 4z equals negative 34. What should we do?
Well, since 8 is a factor of 4, you're just going to multiply that entire equation on
The
each
second
side.
one?
Yes, by
Okay.
2.
So you want to take this one and multiply it by 2.
Yes.
Because 8 is a multiple of 4. Okay? And so that's going to give us 14t plus 8z is equal to negative 68.
Right.
Okay, now what?
Okay, now you're going to put 3t over that. So you're going to...
Can I do it like that? Is that all right? You can't do that on your test, but I can do it here on the smartboard.
Right, and then you're going to draw the lines in between.
I like drawing the lines in between. You don't have to, but it helps me. Now, do I want to add or subtract these?
You're going... Well, it's already done right there for you. Because the 8z and then the negative 8z.
Yes. So do I want to add these
You're
two?
gonna add them.
I want to add them. Okay, now hang on there. All right. Allie,
Yes.
help me add these things.
Okay, so it's 17t
17t.
equals negative,
This cancels,
Right,
doesn't
that
it? Okay.
cancels.
Equals
Sorry.
what?
negative 34.
Good. All right. And where do I go from there?
Divide both sides by 17.
All right. Dividing by 17. So t is equal to what?
2, 3, 4,
Just keep going. How many numbers are there?
5,
There are more than 5 numbers.
negative 2.
Negative 2.
Oh,
That is
the
right.
first time.
All right.
So,
Thank you. Morgan,
yes.
now that I know that t equals negative 2, what should I do with that?
Plug it into the next equation.
Okay, so you want me to plug it in over here?
I guess so.
Okay, so I'm going to get 7 times negative 2 plus 4z is equal to negative 34. All right, nice. Where do I go from there?
So then it's negative 14.
Uh-huh.
4z
Oh, I'm sorry, that should be plus 4z.
equals negative 34.
Nice.
We add 14 to this.
Add 14 to both sides. Okay. And I get,
4z
yep,
equals 20. Nope. Negative.
good, negative 20.
Divide both sides by 4.
Divide by 4,
And z equals negative.
z equals negative 5. Now, Eva, is this the way I want to present it?
No, you want to order
Okay, as an ordered pair, which one goes first?
t, so it's
Negative 2, comma, negative 5. Beautiful. Nice job. Thanks, Morgan. Well done. I tried to catch you,
Yeah.
but I couldn't. All right. Nice. Let's look at the next one. Who wants to do this one? Okay, Lily.
Okay.
Lily, Sally has $21.40 in dimes and quarters for a total of 100 coins. How many of each kind does she have? Now we know we want to write 2 equations. And we've been doing these coin problems forever. What should I do?
You can write t plus q equals 100.
Beautiful. The number of dimes plus the number of quarters is equal to 100. Now what's the other equation that I should write?
It's
10d
10d
plus
plus 25q
25q.
equals 2,140 cents.
Excellent. 2,140 cents. So we don't have to work with the decimals, right? Perfect, Lily. Thank you. Carlos, what do I do now?
Okay, here's how it's going to go down.
All right, how's it going to go down?
Okay, well, yeah.
If he does not know what to do, he doesn't.
Subtract Q. You subtract Q
Okay.
from both sides.
All right, let's subtract q from both sides. We're going to
Yes.
get d is equal to 100 minus q.
Yes.
And what would you like to do?
You like to plug it into the other equation.
Okay. Okay. We're going to plug it into the other equation. And we're going to get 10 times 100 minus q plus 25q is equal to 2,140. Duncan, where do we go from there?
Well, we should distribute
Okay. What do we get?
1,000 and minus 10q.
Yes, sir? Plus-
25q.
Uh-huh.
That equals 2,140.
Nice. Let me extend the page here just a bit. Duncan. All right, Duncan, what would you do next? Yeah.
Right. 1,000 minus 35 cubed.
Check that again. Steele, help out. All right, and when I do negative q 10q plus 25q, what do I get? No. Someone help me out. We got to add now. What? 15q. Thank you, Steele. We got it. We got it. Good job, folks. All right. Now, what do I do next, Lake?
Then we can
Subtract
subtract 1,000.
1,000. Good.
So 15 equals 1140.
And Morgan, if 15q is equal to 1140, what's q equal?
Q is equal to,
Are you dividing by 15?
yes, 76.
So q is equal to 76. And since Allie has to give an answer, we're going to let Miles say what the dimes are.
Okay,
Miles?
the dimes are, we go back up to D equals 100 minus Q.
Yep.
We'll replace Q with the 76.
100 minus 76?
The dimes are
24. Beautiful.
There
Okay.
are 24 of the dimes.
24 of the dimes, 76 of the quarters, for a total value of $21.40.
Where's these quarters?
In a jar by the door. And after he goes to in and out, he's got change just over there.
Yeah,
that-
why
He
does
just
time
like-
just
it's
count
just
the
like
number of quarters?
all-
No, he goes to that little
dimes.
machine and dumps it in and it counts it out for him.
Oh.
Do they not? I never
No,
used
no, they
coins,
do.
so I don't know. Okay, example number 8.
Feel like three.
Cecilia is 24 years younger than Joe, Lily. 6 years ago, she was half as old as he was. How old is each now? Chambliss, what do you think?
Okay.
We need 2 equations.
Yes.
Okay.
So the first equation
Yep.
would be C is equal to J minus 24.
C is equal to J minus 24.
And then the next one
Uh-huh.
would be C minus 6.
So 6 years ago.
Yeah.
Careful. Careful, Drew. All right, 6 years ago
Okay.
is equal to,
2 times J minus. Or, no,
she
or-
was twice as old?
Oh, no, sorry. Okay, she's twice as old, so 1/2.
1/2 of what?
J minus.
Of J minus
Oh,
24?
J minus.
She's half as old
J
as,
minus 6, sorry.
as J minus
I
6.
have to write this all out.
Okay, good. So 6 years ago, so that's Cecilia minus 6. She was half as old as J, is it J? Joe, as Joe was 6 years ago. So we have to subtract 6 from his age as well. Okay, what would you do now, Robert?
All right, I want to substitute the C for the.
Do you want to go ahead and substitute? Okay.
Yeah.
Robert says, let's make that, let's put this in for C. Okay. And we're going to get J minus 24 is equal to, or I'm sorry, minus 6, right?
Yeah.
I forgot that. Thanks for catching me. J minus 24 minus 6 is equal to
1/2 J minus 3.
1/2 J minus 3. Okay. Now what?
And now you're going to have J minus 30,
J minus 30 is equal to
1/2 J.
half J minus 3. Now what?
All right, now you're going to add 3 on this side.
Okay, add 3 to this side, add 3 to this side, and I'm going to get J minus
27.
27 is equal to half J. Okay,
All right, now you're going to want to minus the J on both sides.
minus J, and I'm going to get negative 27 is equal to what?
Negative 1/2 J.
Negative 1/2 J. Good. Okay, now what?
And now you're going to multiply the 27 by 2, which is,
By 2?
yeah,
Okay, what do I get?
and that is 45.
Not 45,
54.
54, but it's negative 54.
Equals J.
Not J.
Negative J.
Negative J, right? The 2's cancel, but that negative's still there. All right, well, we don't want to know how negative J
All
old.
right, 54
Old
equals J.
Okay. Multiply both sides by -1, divide them by -1. J is equal to 54. All right, so how old is Cecilia there for us, Robert?
All right, 54. Cecilia is 30.
54 minus 24, so Cecilia is 30 years old. Now, 6 years ago, how old was Cecilia? And how old was Joe 6 years ago? Joe is 54, right? But he was 48 then. Was she half his age?
Yeah.
Perfect. We got the right answer. I love math. I love math. All right. Nice job. You ready? Study. Wait, let's see. Is this the only? Is that it? Oh, there's two more. Is there one more or two more? Two more. So you know what I'll do? I'll put the other two on. I'll record them later so you can look at them. See what they look like.
Thank you.
What's that?
Is there gonna be current?
There will be current and wind problems on there. So study them and practice them. I'm going to put an example online, so be sure you look for it. All right, good job, guys. Thank you very much.
Thank you.